So, good day everyone. My name is Prince Jimuli Masin. Uh, I am currently taking up the electrician course, and this video is my class introduction for our industrial machines subject. In this video, I will talk about my goals in life and improvements I will make this semester to achieve that goal, and the importance of the subject in my future career and electrician. Uh, and lastly, uh, my goal is to become a skilled and responsible electrician. This semester, I am committed to improving my technical skills and safety awareness. The industrial machines subject plays a major role in helping me achieve my goal by providing practical knowledge and real world experience. So, thank you for your time and look forward to learning more throughout this course. And have a nice day. So, my goal in life is uh, to finish my study and to become a licensed and skilled electrician who is knowledgeable in electrical system, industrial machines, and safety procedures. So, I want to have a stable job in the electrical field where I can apply my skills in real work environment such as factories, buildings, and industrial sites. I also want to continuously improve my skills so that I can provide safe, reliable, and high quality electrical services. So, for the third question, what is the importance of this subject in achieving my goals? So, the industrial machine subject is very important to my goal because it helped me understand how electrical system are integrated with machines. So this subject teaches us how to identify electrical components used in industrial machines, understand motor control, starter, and uh, control circuits, perform basic maintenance and troubleshooting, apply safety standard when working machines. So these lessons are directly the work of an electricians. Through the subject, I gain more hands-on experience, and that prepares me for real industrial settings. Uh, it builds my confidence and competence, which are essential for my future career. So, the question number two: what drastic improvements will you do this semester to achieve your goal? So, this semester, the drastic improvement I will focus on is improving my technical skills and safety discipline. So, as an electrician, safety is very important. Study electrical diagrams and machine manuals more carefully. Second, practice proper wiring, installation, and troubleshooting. Follow safety rules such as lockout, tag out, and proper use of PPA. Be more intensive during uh, laboratory and machine operation activities. So these improvements is important because working with electricity and industrial machines can be dangerous if done incorrectly. By being more disciplined and focused, I can reduce mistakes, prevent accident, and develop professional habits that are uh, required in the electrical industry.